Hello viewers, tutorial 11 question 4. What are the following integrals? So first we've got the integral of 1 over x dx, which can be more or less read directly off the formula sheet, which says it's log base e, which is the same thing as ln of x plus c. Now there's something else on the formula sheet that will be relevant to the remaining questions in this video. So it says that the integral of g dash of x over g of x equals ln of g of x plus c. So what that tells you is that if you've got a fraction to integrate where the top of the fraction is the derivative of the bottom of the fraction, then your answer is just going to be ln of the bottom of the fraction. So let's check that b fits that form. So g of x would be your bottom line of the fraction. So g of x would be equal to what's on the bottom, which is x plus 7. And g dash is of x, as if we differentiate that we get 1. So this has exactly that form. G dash on the top was 1 and g was equal to the bottom. So it is exactly of this form, which tells us that we will end up with ln of the bottom. So ln of x plus 7 plus your constant. Okay, so question C, let's check again that it has that form. So we have g of x is what's on the bottom, which is 3x plus 7. And if we differentiate that, we get g dash of x is differentiate 3x plus 7, we get 3. So if we look at the form we have exactly that form again. G dash is on the top and g of x is on the bottom. That means your integral is going to be exactly ln of the bottom plus your constant. Okay, so question D, same thing again. What's our g of x? That's what's on the bottom, which is x to the power of 3 minus 16. And g dash of x is its derivative, which differentiate x cubed, we get 3x squared, and the 16 differentiates to 0. So again, it's got this form. It's got the form where you've got the derivative on the top, and you've got g of x on the bottom. So it's got, again, the g dash over g form, which means that we've got an integral of ln of the bottom, which is x cubed minus 16. And same for the next question. Looks a little bit messier, but it's actually not. So what would g of x be here? G of x would be what's on the bottom, which is sine of 11x, and if we differentiate that, we get sine differentiates to cosine of 11x multiplied by 11 by the chain rule, which is exactly what's on the top. So the top is your g dash and your bottom is your g. Has the same form again, so this is going to be ln of the bottom plus your constant. Okay, thanks for watching. Over and out.